Alright guys, Lincoln and I got a new problem. Dishwasher, my money maker, is not spraying water. Alright, that's when it's supposed to start spraying. Did not. Just sits there. There's water right here, but it doesn't spray. Pull it out, you take some whatever, dump on the cleaning solution, dishwasher detergent. There we go. There we go. There you have it. It's spraying now. Yeah. There you go, dishes. Hope you like being clean. We're gonna get these dishes done in record time. All right. Push start twice. Let it drain. Spick and span. Clean. All clean.